This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ps5 green screen. First, let's ensure your connections are solid. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your PlayStation 5 and your television. Sometimes, simply trying a different HDMI port on your TV can resolve the issue. For optimal performance, consider using a new, high-quality HDMI 2.1 cable, as older or faulty cables are a common culprit for display problems like a green screen. This simple check can save you a lot of hassle. Next, we'll dive into your PlayStation 5's display settings. You might need to boot your console into safe mode to access these options. Once there, try changing your video output resolution to a lower setting, such as 1080 pixels, to see if that stabilizes the display. Additionally, disabling HDCP, or high bandwidth digital content protection, can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. Experiment with your HDR settings as well, as these can occasionally cause display anomalies on certain televisions. These adjustments often clear up visual glitches. Now, let's turn our attention to your television or monitor. It's crucial to ensure your TV's firmware is up to date, as manufacturers frequently release updates that improve compatibility and fix bugs. Check your TV's picture settings for any specific modes or enhancements, like game mode, that might be causing interference. Try disabling them. If possible, test your PlayStation 5 on a completely different display device to rule out your primary TV as the source of the green screen. This helps isolate the problem effectively. If the green screen persists, we'll move to more advanced troubleshooting. In safe mode, you can try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database, which can often fix corrupted data issues without deleting your games. As a last resort, a factory reset of your console might be necessary, but remember to back up your data first. If none of these steps work, it's highly probable you have a hardware issue. At this point, contacting PlayStation support or seeking professional repair is your best course of action for a lasting solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.